Think your daily vitamins are always safe? Some could secretly harm your heart after 60. Stay tuned to discover the 3 vitamins seniors should watch out for, and hit subscribe for vital health tips to protect your heart. When healthy vitamins turn dangerous for your heart. Most seniors have heard this phrase 1,000 times. Take your vitamins, it's good for your health. And for much of your life, that was true. From childhood chewable tablets to shelves of colorful supplement bottles in your bathroom cabinet, vitamins have become a daily habit for millions of older adults. After all, vitamins help fill in nutritional gaps, strengthen the immune system, and support bones, eyesight, and energy levels. But there's a surprising truth that many seniors over 60 might not know. Some vitamins, yes, even ones advertised as essential, could actually harm your heart if you're not careful. As we age, our bodies handle nutrients differently than they did when we were younger. Our kidneys and liver become less efficient. Our arteries might already have some plaque buildup. Our blood can become thicker or thinner than it should be. Certain vitamins taken in excess can silently push your body out of balance, leading to higher blood pressure, increased clotting risks, arrhythmias, and other cardiovascular dangers. Imagine waking up each morning thinking you're doing everything right by taking your vitamins, only to discover that those very pills might be putting silent strain on your heart. Many seniors don't realize the danger until they end up in the hospital with chest pain, high blood pressure, or irregular heartbeat. This video isn't meant to scare you away from all vitamins. Many supplements are beneficial, especially when prescribed for specific deficiencies. But as a senior, you deserve the whole truth. You deserve to know which vitamins might quietly become dangerous for your heart health after 60, and how to use them safely. Today, we're going to talk about the 3 worst vitamins that could damage your heart after 60. These are vitamins many seniors take every day, believing they're protecting their health. But if used improperly, they can silently become a threat. By the end of this video, you'll know which vitamins to watch out for, how they impact your heart, and how to protect your cardiovascular health while still getting the nutrients your body needs. Vitamin E, a heart healthy vitamin that can go too far. Vitamin E is often praised as one of the best vitamins for heart health. It's an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. Many seniors take vitamin E supplements, believing it will help prevent heart disease and keep blood vessels healthy. But here's what many seniors don't know. High doses of vitamin E can actually increase your risk of bleeding and heart failure. Vitamin E acts as a natural blood thinner. While thinning the blood can be helpful in preventing clots, too much thinning can become dangerous, especially for seniors already on blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin. Taking high doses of vitamin E can increase the risk of bleeding in the brain, gastrointestinal tract, or other critical organs. Let's talk about Harold, a 70-year-old man who began taking a 400 IU vitamin E supplement every day because he heard it would help his heart. For several months, Harold felt fine, but then he noticed he was bruising more easily and felt dizzy when standing up. One day, Harold had sudden weakness on one side of his body and slurred speech. He was rushed to the hospital and diagnosed with a hemorrhagic stroke, a type of stroke caused by bleeding in the brain. His doctors discovered that high-dose vitamin E was amplifying the blood-thinning effect of his medication, leading to dangerous bleeding. Another concern is heart failure. Some large studies have shown that taking more than 400 IU of vitamin E daily may increase the risk of heart failure in people with existing heart conditions. This doesn't mean vitamin E is always bad. In small doses and as part of a balanced diet, vitamin E is essential for health. The problem is excessive supplementation. If you're considering vitamin E supplements, talk to your doctor first. In most cases, it's safer to get vitamin E from food sources like nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils instead of high-dose pills. Vitamin E remains important, but for seniors over 60, high doses can silently turn a friend into a foe for your heart. Vitamin D, important but not without risks. Vitamin D has become one of the most popular supplements in America. It's essential for strong bones, immune support, and overall health. Many seniors are told to take vitamin D to help prevent osteoporosis and maintain strength. And it's true, vitamin D is crucial. But there's a hidden danger for seniors. Too much vitamin D can raise calcium levels in your blood, leading to heart problems. When you take high doses of vitamin D, your intestines absorb more calcium from food and supplements. This extra calcium can build up in your blood, leading to a condition called hypercalcemia. High calcium levels can cause artery stiffness, increase the risk of plaque buildup, and contribute to high blood pressure. Consider Martha, a 72-year-old woman who started taking 5,000 IU of vitamin D every day because she read it would strengthen her bones. At first, she felt energetic and strong. But after several months, Martha began feeling fatigued, had frequent urination, and sometimes felt pain in her chest. Her doctor found that her blood calcium was dangerously high, and a scan revealed early calcification in her arteries. Martha was shocked. She thought she was protecting her bones, but was instead harming her heart. Doctors typically recommend no more than 800 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D daily for most seniors, unless a blood test confirms a deficiency requiring higher doses. If you're considering vitamin D supplements, ask your doctor for a blood test first. And don't assume more is always better. Too much vitamin D can silently damage your heart. Vitamin D remains essential, but for seniors, moderation and medical guidance are crucial. Vitamin B3, niacin, a heart help that can turn into a heart threat. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, has long been advertised as a heart-friendly vitamin. Many seniors have seen magazine articles, health blogs, or even TV commercials praising niacin's ability to raise good HDL cholesterol and lower bad LDL cholesterol. Doctors have sometimes prescribed high doses of niacin in the past for cholesterol management. It's true that niacin can help improve cholesterol numbers. But what many seniors don't realize is that high doses of niacin can also be dangerous for the heart, liver, and overall health, especially in people over 60. When taken in large amounts, sometimes 500 milligrams, 1,000 milligrams, or even higher, niacin can cause severe flushing, where the skin becomes red, warm, and very itchy. Seniors may experience their face, neck, and chest turning bright red and feel an uncomfortable burning sensation. While flushing might sound harmless, it's actually a sign that blood vessels are dilating and blood pressure can drop suddenly. Imagine Harold, a 71-year-old man who decided to take 1,500 milligrams of niacin daily because he read online that it would save his heart. The first few days, Harold just felt a warm flush and thought it was no big deal. But by the second week, he was experiencing lightheadedness, severe itching, and moments when his vision went blurry. One morning, Harold nearly fainted in his bathroom and had to grab the sink to steady himself. When he visited his doctor, they discovered his blood pressure had fallen dangerously low, and his liver enzymes were high, a sign of liver stress caused by niacin. That's not all. High doses of niacin can also cause arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats that can feel like your heart is skipping beats or racing uncontrollably. This can be terrifying for seniors who already have underlying heart disease. Studies have shown that while niacin improves cholesterol numbers on paper, it doesn't always reduce the number of heart attacks or help people live longer. Another hidden risk with niacin is liver toxicity. Seniors often have less resilient livers than younger people. Taking high doses of niacin without medical supervision can cause liver inflammation, leading to serious health problems, fatigue, jaundice, and even hospital stays. Niacin is also found in some over-the-counter energy supplements and multivitamins. Many seniors take multiple supplements without realizing they might be stacking doses of niacin from different products. This makes accidental overdose more common than people think. Does this mean niacin is always bad? The amount of niacin you get naturally from food, like poultry, fish, whole grains, and peanuts, is safe and beneficial. But large doses of niacin supplements should never be taken unless prescribed and closely monitored by a doctor. If you're considering niacin for cholesterol or heart health, do not start high doses on your own. Always talk to your healthcare provider first. Ask about safer alternatives and whether niacin is even necessary for your specific situation. Niacin remains an important nutrient, but for seniors, high-dose supplements can silently turn a helpful vitamin into a dangerous threat to heart health. The hidden danger of more is better. One of the biggest myths in health is the idea that if a little of something is good, then a lot must be even better. But that belief can be incredibly dangerous, especially for seniors. Our bodies have limits, and crossing those limits can turn vitamins from helpful into harmful. As we age, our metabolism slows down, our organs become more sensitive, our arteries may already have plaque or stiffness. A vitamin that was safe in our 40s can become risky in our 60s or 70s. High doses of certain vitamins can silently damage the lining of blood vessels, increase clotting risks, or cause arrhythmias that leave you feeling weak, dizzy, or short of breath. Some seniors might not even realize a problem is building up because the symptoms can be subtle: fatigue, mild chest discomfort, or feeling off. Let's take Harold again. He thought taking more niacin, more vitamin E, and higher vitamin D was the secret to a longer life. But in reality, he was overloading his body, stressing his liver, and risking serious heart complications. His doctor explained that more is not always better, and sometimes it's far worse. Another problem is that many vitamins are hidden in multivitamins, energy drinks, or superfood powders. Seniors might not know they're doubling or tripling doses of certain vitamins each day. Labels can be confusing, and marketing often makes supplements sound harmless. Here's a key fact. The body stores fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E and D, which means extra doses can accumulate over time. Water-soluble vitamins like the B vitamins usually flush out in urine, but even they can cause harm in large quantities. This silent buildup is one reason seniors should always check with their doctor before adding new supplements, even if they're labeled natural or healthy. Solutions for seniors who want to use vitamins safely. So what's the answer? Should seniors throw away all their vitamins? Absolutely not. Vitamins remain essential for health, especially for those with proven deficiencies. But the secret is to use them wisely, moderately, and under medical supervision. Here's how seniors over 60 can protect their hearts and stay safe with vitamins. Talk to your doctor. Before starting any supplement, ask your doctor or pharmacist if it's safe for your health conditions and current medications. Check existing medications. Many vitamins can interact with heart drugs, blood thinners, or cholesterol medications. Avoid mega doses. Stick to recommended daily amounts. Don't assume more will work better or faster. Get nutrients from food. First, natural sources of vitamins come packaged with fiber, minerals, and protective compounds that supplements don't always provide. Read labels carefully. Look for hidden vitamins in energy drinks, multivitamins, or herbal blends. Add up all your daily intake to avoid unintentional overdoses. Monitor for symptoms. If you develop fatigue, new bruising, muscle aches, palpitations, or dizziness, discuss your supplements with your doctor right away. Small changes in how you use vitamins can mean big protection for your heart and your entire body. Conclusion: your heart deserves smart choices. My dear friends, vitamins remain one of nature's gifts. They help us age gracefully, keep us strong, and protect us from disease. But as we get older, even healthy vitamins can become dangerous if taken the wrong way. The real secret isn't swallowing handfuls of pills. It's knowing what your body truly needs, understanding how vitamins work with your medications, and seeking guidance from your doctor. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me keep creating videos to help seniors live longer, healthier lives. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about. It might protect their heart too. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. Stay healthy, stay wise, and I'll see you in the next video.